Hello, everyone. Happy Friday. It is Friday, May 25th, 2018. This is Mrs. Love. I am out today, so you have the great opportunity to hear me on this recording instead of hearing me live in person. So this is going to be really quick. I just want to give you some instructions so you know what to do today. Here is a list of things that I want you to do. If you need to pause the video to look at the list, please do that now, but I'm going to go through each one of them for you quickly. Number one, please make sure you have completed every graded assignment in Unit 12. You will need to go into your online school and click on each lesson to find the link to the assignment for that lesson. Some of them are regular graded assignments like quizzes. Some of them we did in class. If you were not in the live class, then there's an alternate assignment in there for you. Okay? Now, you may have a 0 in your grade book for this assignment because some of them I closed, but I am reopening everything for you and leaving it open until the end of the day on Sunday. So you can go back through Unit 12 and complete anything you have missed. We have lessons 1 through 8. Remember, there was no quiz, so there is no lesson 6. And there is a unit test that we completed on Thursday. So if you have not completed any of those, you need to get those done. The deadline is Sunday at 11:30 p.m. All right, that was number 2. Then, check to make sure you've completed your Civil Rights Leader project and turned it in. You are supposed to upload your finished project to the assignment Dropbox. Please do not email it to me. I do not want it through email. It is due Friday, which is today, before 4 o'clock. If you turn it in after 4 o'clock, it will not be accepted. You have had more than 3 weeks to work on these projects. You should have had no trouble getting those done. All right, now that is the first part of your to-do list. After you've checked everything off of this list, the second thing I need you to do is this. Next week, we're going to be taking our quarterly assessment. I am going to have you all help me create a study guide that we can use for that test. So everybody is doing this. The test is going to be on Wednesday, but we will do review Monday and Tuesday. Your job is to think of one question from each unit to put on our study guide. Our quarterly assessment is only going to include Unit 11 and Unit 12. Okay, so you need to think of one question from each unit. You can go back and look at the lessons, look at your notes, look at my class slides, find 2 questions, one from Unit 11, one from Unit 12. You're going to open this Google form, which I have the link for in our daily announcements for today. You'll have to go to the class announcements in your online school to find the Google form. And you're going to just type your question in there, and please include the correct answer. If you want to make a true or false question, you can. If you want to make a multiple choice question, you can. Give me your multiple choices, options, and then tell me what the correct answer is. If you want to make a fill in the blank question, you can do that too, but please, I want to be able to copy and paste your question into a study guide, and it should be already done. So I don't have to look for the answer or anything like that. Okay, so I'm going to try to use everybody's questions. I might not use everybody's questions because seriously, there's like 90 kids in our team. I'll probably have some duplicates, but I'm going to choose the best questions and put them on a study guide. And I'll be sharing that out with you guys probably on Tuesday, okay? So that's your homework. You need to get that done now. And don't forget the other things on this list, especially your project, due today by 4 p.m. No exceptions. All right? Any questions, you can email me. But I will not be checking emails because I'm going to be away from my computer all weekend. So I will follow up with any questions on Monday. This Google form is required. You are going to be graded, so please do that. And that's it for today. Have a happy weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday.